In this video, we'll show you how to cash in a paper wallet using the Cash2Bitcoin Crypto Wallet App. First, launch the app. Then, sign in using your 6-digit PIN. Once you've logged in, tap the QR code scanner in the upper right-hand corner. Your paper wallet will have 2 QR codes on it. Make sure that only the bottom QR code is visible. Then, scan your private key. After scanning, verify the details match your paper wallet, then hit the Claim button. In a few moments, your funds will be available in your crypto wallet. From your dashboard, you can tap to see the transaction details and status. And that's it. Ready to get started? Download the Cash2Bitcoin Wallet app on Android or iOS today.